That would have been a great way to start the weekend. Oh, that was close. Whew. Welcome to the first ride weekend. You see how we're starting? We're learning as we go.
Hello world, wake me up to another good morning, time to go. Got that smile upon my face, 'cause there's excitement in the chase, this I know. Yeah, I'm going for the ride and find myself, I am alive, and I soar. Still I run toward the wind and let the challenge draw me in, 'cause I want more. Oh, we are all looking for adventure. 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 Oh, wake up heart and wake up mind, and see the world is yours to find, and know with every passing day there's more, calling you out to explore. Get up and go. There is joy found in the race, and I feel it in the place where I'm free. And I simply can't deny it, that I feel adventure calling out to me. Yeah, we are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure. We are all.
And I'm not even making much noise because I'm on this electric, so part of me thinks too, oh, how fast do bears run, you know? If a bear comes walking out of the bush here. They've been waking up over the last few weeks. You've been seeing them on the news. Super happy though. This is exactly what I wanted to do, just to add to the adventures a bit, right? And this is spot on. I was pretty nervous about it coming out. New rider, new territory, new sport, if you will. And so far so good. It's working out great. This is exactly what I wanted. I thought it was going to be real packed too, real busy out here. And the campgrounds are full. But I guess like at the end of the day, the area is just so vast that, you know, a couple hundred people or whatever the hell's out here, your odds in running into them are pretty slim. A factor to consider as well when you're out alone and you got no service. How are you going to get yourself out? Stretch my legs here for a minute. Here we go. Here's some dudes.
We are all looking for adventure.
So yeah, I've never had a dirt bike before. I had a mountain bike when I was like in my early 20s, so 20 plus years ago, and I rode that a little bit, not very heavily. But I watched like every Talaria / Sur video I could find online when I was waiting for this thing, or before I bought it even. And few of the complaints I heard, which already make sense to me, and they're not necessarily complaints, but just areas for improvement, are the tires. You get hit in these ruts, root systems, and rocks on the trails, and these throw you around pretty good. You just you're bouncing off them, or like in the gravel pit yesterday, my back tire was spinning, it just couldn't grip. So I can see how that would be a sought after upgrade. These are 219s. I see people saying if you go to 21 on the front, 19 on the back, and I think the swing bar is just big enough that you can get like up 1 or 2 sizes on the rear tire width. Apparently that gives you a drastic improvement on the handling of the bike on the trails, so that's probably something I'll have to budget for in the future, if I can ever get that past Brandy. Surely she'll kill me, but we'll work on that. Well, it's nice and warm here in the sun. Cold on the trails in the shade. I'll go back and get some lunch, and then we'll do an afternoon ride. Go off the beaten path a little farther. Let's get it. Yeah, down to 50%. We've been out an hour, gone about 15 kilometers, so got it. Yes. No cheating. Yes. Oh, I'm gonna sleep like an absolute baby tonight. I'm not kidding you. Wow. Just mushrooms, onion, and ribeye. I marinated this thing yesterday before I left. Wow, what a day. Wow, was that ever good. Starting to rain a little bit. I gotta get down with this. Ooh, and enjoy the fire. Sit out for a bit before the rain really comes down. Thank you for sticking around. I appreciate everybody that's watching. And I'll see you in the morning. Well, good morning, team. Had an amazing sleep. Oh, all that riding I think is a bit of a workout for me. I'm not used to. Well, so here we are, bright and early, having coffee, gonna pack up and hit the road. Just want to say thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Number 76 in the books. And I think we're set up now for lots of great adventures in the future. So personally, I'm super excited. I hope you enjoyed the ride. And if you did and you haven't hit that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button yet. We're going to be doing this 2 or 3 times a month for as long as the weather will let us anyway. and leave me a comment down below. I love all the comments, love the engagement. I read every comment, I answer every comment. It's really cool to have a back and forth with everybody watching the videos. So yeah, if you feel a way, please do so. Leave a comment down below and we'll chat down there. And now, time to pack up. Until the next one, be bright, be brief, and be gone.